Hey friends, what's up? In this video, I'm going to talk about some key insights about building long-term wealth, and I'm going to also share some of my lifestyle choices, why I live my life in a certain way and how I spend my money. Hope you would learn a thing or two from this video. So let's start this. Long story short, the key to building long-term wealth is to gradually increase the gap between your earnings and your spendings. It's a bit of a slow process, but it compounds over the years and gives you tremendous returns in the future. Now, what I'm going to say is a bit controversial and may not work for everybody, but the whole point of building wealth is to have financial independence. Despite your earnings, it's not to indulge in excess. To illustrate my point, let me share a personal story of mine. So, when I was starting out, I had an entry-level job with an entry-level pay. So I naturally settled into a moderate lifestyle. I got myself a decent apartment, a rented apartment obviously. I had decent clothes. I ate decent food. It was comfortable, to be honest, but nothing close to fancy. Even though my income has increased over the years, thankfully, my lifestyle has not changed drastically. I still live considerably below my means, if I have to be honest. The good thing is that this has continuously pushed my savings rate higher. The one huge benefit of this lifestyle choice is that now I've got FU money. What is FU money? Well, it's the money that gives you the freedom to simply wake up one day and decide to quit your job or to change whatever you're doing without breaking a sweat. Now, it doesn't mean that you should do something like that, but if you have FU money, you have the option to do that, and that is very important. For example, tomorrow, if I suddenly decide that I do not want to work anymore for whatever reason, I do not have the obligation to keep my job anymore. Because I have a huge safety net in terms of my FU money, I have the option to do absolutely nothing for the next 5 to 6 years and still live comfortably. FU money gives you the option to do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do, for as long as you want to do. FU money gives you freedom, and there is tremendous power in this freedom. FU money is the granddaddy of all financial goals. If there's something that I'm personally proud of, it's that I've got the goalpost of my lifestyle desires to stop moving at a very young age. Now, this doesn't work for everybody, if I have to be honest. But this works for me and my partner since we both agree to it equally. Now, it's not that we're living frugally. It's just that what we get pleasure from, say, watching movies together or reading or gardening or playing board games, they cost very little. So we rarely feel that we are missing out. We do not suffer from FOMO. You see, we kind of think of it this way. Having the latest iPhone or the new Tesla or a big house is not really a sign of wealth. It's a sign of money spent. Money that isn't in the bank anymore. Money that you cannot use anymore. You see, real wealth is invisible. Real wealth is FU money that you cannot see. Real wealth is the money that gives you the freedom and independence to indulge only in matters that interest you. Real wealth is not about having money. It's about having independence. Most people do not understand wealth because they do not know how to think. Mastering the art of thinking can not only solve your money problems, but also your life problems. If you are interested in learning how to think better, make sure to sign up for my online course on structured thinking. It is called Re-Engineered Thinking. Visit reengineeredthinking.com to know everything about it. The link is also given in the description. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about FU money in the comments below. For more such videos on learning, creativity and wealth, make sure to subscribe to Coffee and Junk and do not forget to hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.